Good day everyone, I'm Leonardo Fibonacci Jr. from Bravo 1, and for today's video, I want to explain the Fibonacci sequence in nature.
The Fibonacci sequence was initially developed by Leonardo Fibonacci while he was calculating the expansion of the groups of rabbits over a year. The Fibonacci sequence ratio and patterns close parenthesis p equals 1.61803 close parenthesis are evident from micro to macro scale all over our known universe. Although the Fibonacci sequence, aka golden ratio, doesn't appear in every facet of known structures, it does in many, and this is especially true for plants. And the first example of Fibonacci is leaves. A photo from Errol Ahmed Unsplash. The Fibonacci sequence in a plant is quite abundant, and the leaves are one of the best examples. When growing up, the branch of Fibonacci can be viewed in their stems as well as their veins. The more they grow outward, the higher the Fibonacci sequence is visible. And the second example is pine cone. Photo from Cameron Oxley. When looking closely at the seeds of pod of a pine cone, you notice an arranged spiral patterns. Each cone has its own set of spirals moving outward in opposite direction. The third example is flower petal. Photo from Alfino Sutainto. The petals of a flower grow in a manner consistent with the Fibonacci of the most visible Fibonacci sequence in plants. Lilies, which have 3 petals, and the buttercups, which their 5 petals, are some of the most easily recognized. The fourth is seed heads. Photo from Asger Pal Juliusson. A flower's head is also where you find the Fibonacci sequence in the plants. Most of the time, seeds come from the center and migrate out. A perfect example of this is the sunflowers with their spiraling patterns at the points their seeds heads get a packet that their number can get exceptionally high, sometimes as much as 144 and more. When analyzing these spirals, the number is almost always a Fibonacci. This is the fifth example of the Fibonacci. A photo from Joel and Hasmin Forestberg. Although we all usually see the trees everywhere in our day-to-day, how often do we really look at them for the pattern in trees? The Fibonacci begins in the growth of the trunk and then spirals outward as the tree gets larger and tailer. And that is the 5 example of Fibonacci, especially true for plants. And that's all. Thank you. And by the way, my name is Leonardo Fibonacci Jr. and I'm from Bravo 1.